today we show you how to trap the opponent in Indian defense. Of course, I will show you. Because most of common player play d4, of course. They play d4 and most of common player play d5. But he would play knight to f6. But why? Because we immediately control the center, okay? And here, most of common player play knight move also because for control the center, move this knight. But most of common player play e6, c4. Oh no, sorry, c4, because he controls this square, and if I push forward, he can counterattack by the knight. And or we can put his pawn. He can put his pawn further for protecting his pawn to a bishop. We play e6. Me, I play e6. But why? And here we call the Indian defense. But why it's called the Indian defense? Because here, but why we do knight to f6? Because if we place f5, the opponent play d4. If we play link chess, for example, if the opponent play c4, okay, for e6, it looks so solid. My king is so solid. Nobody can attack me. Knight to c3. To move is pin this knight first, but decide to move knight to c6. So here, move bishop to g5, pin this knight first to the queen. Me, I didn't want to lose that. I will unpin and move the pawn on a3. Stopping my bishop to pin to the king. Okay? So, h6. You know, everybody must thinking, hey, Ghost Chess is changed over here. But Ghost Chess, everybody wants Ghost Chess. White pieces. But why I black pieces today? Because I love black pieces. Of course, two white or black pieces is so good. But black pieces I prefer if you play d4 Indian defense and e5 French defense. I love black pieces. But right now I play black pieces, so I do Indian defense if you play d4. But white pieces also, I so really love it. Because if you want, you can play link chess, and if you play d4, play like me. Play Indian defense. Okay? So here push pawn h6, kick this bishop away. Oops, kick this bishop away. He moves this bishop back, he never exchange. I moved pawn to g5, bishop to g3, h5, but further e6 with the blood. Because I can h4, bishop to e5, d6. Force the bishop takes. And my opponent does that? Yes, he does, he's taking. We see my opponent is pawn 03 66 4. What you do? Keep playing. What you see? Keep playing. You see it at 130. Why? He lost 154. Because he just played just one game. We will see, okay? We will see. Look. Because here, look in here, just play 5 games. We just play. See, I will show you. Here is he play with me. Where is that? Here, just play with me. A winner. And this is a loser. Look, he loses this game. 133. Wow, he lost a lot of game. Look amazing. Do you know that? So really amazed. Because he's just playing one game. So here we will focus on game. My activity. And here we will watch a play rapid, so good. Play, blitz, crazy house, automatic. You can play credit spin, but it doesn't want. But why? First, here I have France. I live in France. And I have one friend, Dr. Nakastan. You know Dr. Nakastan so well good? Because Dr. Nakastan is my favorite friend. Because he wins a lot of games in chess, you know? So, let's go in my activity. We're here. And see, I force the bishop takes my knight. Force my opponent takes my knight. Okay? So, does he take my knight? Yes, of course. That's why he will lose this bishop for nothing. So I takes back and move to g3. Because he just leaves his pawn up. He doesn't know what to play. He's beginner. He doesn't know. Knight takes c4, knight to f3. Knight move back to c4, c6. Bishop to g3, h3, counter-attack. Bishop move back, counter-attack one more. e5 was a mistake. Second move is bishop takes. But doesn't know. Because I don't want, but I can damage a pawn structure, but I just want to lessen my bishop move here. Because when I have a knight, we have deadly fork. I love it. So interesting. So I love it. And I keep this. Queen to c2 was negative because c2, queen to c2 was negative because knight to d4, I can jump forward, give one tempo. He had no chance to stop this knight because I already have one tempo to the queen. Knight blocks, lose this queen for nothing. He move and lose a rook in after the next move. Okay, just losing. So second move, so he played queen to a4 with a check, saving his queen. But we can develop a piece and one tempo. I must be taking all the beginner play queen to b4, but just to this game. For knight move here, knight move to c2 with 3 fork. Amazing! With 2 fork and a fork with a king. Wow, amazing! I didn't see that because here the queen is leaving this queen in important squares. Now jump, already jump. So check 3. Obviously, he moves his queen to d1 for protect this square. Because I have just one move to protect the square. Bishop move to g5. Match is bishop takes, and if he doesn't want to ride castle, but he takes by the queen, I can do a fork. So move the knight on d5 and takes with the chicks. And here, does takes with the queen. Obviously not the queen because knight with the check and loses queen for nothing. Okay? You just lose a piece. The text back with the king is the best move. Knight f3 with a check. King move, and here we see the king is a queen lying up on the diagonal and beautifully diagonal. So I check 1. And here he forced to block on b3, but this man was 9 moves back to d4 with the check and with the fork. And attack this pawn. He moved back, I chose takes the bishop. Queen move to d3. Was it not correct because I can do fork to force to takes. And see I kick this knight away because this knight is uncomfortable. Rook moved to b1. Boy sacrificed a knight for nothing. So takes his knight for free. Then knight for free. Nothing because it was his queen. Takes back and moved to b6. Incredible way of sacrifice all the pieces like this. It's amazing because with Tao is a beginner. Okay? He is a beginner. What that does? He's a beginner. So I take this for free. I had no queen. But you just give all the pieces for me. A pawn move to f4. Imagine we need a pawn in the rook. Or doing something else. Of course, most of common play pawn takes rook, okay? But here we will learn to en passant. And here en passant is pawn takes. And you cannot move up. But we can. Leave this diagonal and this pawn is lost. You see? So now the pawn is lost. And here is the best move. Think for a moment. But why? This rook move here we have a good advantage. Because if we text with promote, it's okay. But I have a good advantage. It's an easy win. Because look, just leave. Because if we have two rook, he cannot do nothing in this file. Because he needs to put pawn promote. But he's just losing. What's he playing here? It's 90. He just losing. We didn't know what to do, but I played blitz 134. But he just lose all the game. I lose all the game so very much. So sorry. So rook to g1 because he didn't want I do en passant. I took this pawn for free and moved the king away. So I moved the queen move here. But what my idea is take this pawn. Then move king to a3. So I move queen to f3 with the check and he designed. Because if king move here, queen takes pawn with the check. King move here. King move anyway of this 8th rank. You just lose this rook for nothing. And if you move the king away, for example here, we can do something new. A little bit stronger. Queen takes with the check. So very beautifully. King move here and then we can surprise him with rook move here. With rook takes, he can promote and he forced to take with the rook. Just forced to take with the rook. And if rook takes, let's see, because we just do fork here. Go fork. King move and here queen takes rook. It's just winning. Because you know, it's just winning. So I hope this video be good for you. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to like, share and comment to my video, okay? Bye bye!